لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة لمن كان يرجو الله واليوم الآخر وذكر الله كثيرا.
يعني in this exemplary way or in this exemplary tariqah, يعني منهaj of the Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah, if whoever follows it, يَسْلَمُونَ مِنَ الزَّيْغِ, then they will be safe from perversion, distortion, deviation in the names of Allah and His sifat. If they follow this tariqah. What is this tariqah? لَا يُثْبِتُونَ لِلَّهِ إِلَّا مَا أَثْبَتَ لِنَفْسِهِ, that they do not affirm for Allah except that which He affirmed for Himself, or that which His Messenger ﷺ has affirmed for Him. They do not affirm for Allah anything except that which He affirms for Himself or what His Messenger ﷺ affirms for Him, غَيْرُ زَائِدِينَ, without adding anything to it at all, and without taking anything away from it. Just as Allah brought it, that's the way we take it. And here the Shaykh, he came to a very important قاعدة, principle, related to what? The names of Allah and the sifat of Allah. وَلِهَذَا كَانَتْ طَرِيقَتُهُمْ أَنَّ أَسْمَاءَ اللَّهِ وَصِفَاتِهِ تَوْقِيفِيَّة. The tariqah, the minhaj of Ahlus Sunnah is that the names of Allah and His sifat, His characteristics or descriptions or qualities are tawqifiyya. So therefore it is not possible for anyone to name Allah with what He didn't name Himself with. Because why? You have to stop. al-wuquf, tawqifiyya, means that you have to stop on the textual evidences from the Qur'an and authentic Sunnah, and don't go beyond that, not adding anything to it or negating anything from it, but stop upon the nusus, the text. You cannot name Allah with anything He didn't name Himself with. You cannot describe Allah with something He didn't describe Himself with. Shaykh Uthaymeen says in Qawaid al-Muthra, page 13, the names of Allah the Most High and His sifat are tawqifiyya. لا مجال للعقل فيها. There is no room for the intellect to have any role to play in reference to the names of Allah and His sifat. The intellect, however smart somebody may think they are, there's no role for it here. It's what Allah has confirmed and what the Messenger ﷺ has confirmed for Him, and outside of that, khalas, we don't accept it. وعلى هذا يجب الوقوف. So based upon this, it is obligatory that we stop فيها, in reference to the names and sifat, على ما جاء به الكتاب والسنة, that we stop, that we stick to what came in the book and the sunnah, al-Qur'an was sunnah. فلا يزاد فيها, we don't add anything to it beyond what has come in the book and the sunnah, nor do we take anything from it. And that is because the aql, the mind, the intellect, لا يمكنه إدراك ما يستحقه تعالى من أسماء والصفات. Because the mind is not capable to comprehend what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is deserving of names and sifat. The intellect is not capable of that. فَوَجَبَ الْوُقُوفِ فِي ذَلِكَ عَلَى النَّص. Therefore it's obligatory to stop at that which came in the text, Qur'an and authentic hadith. Shaykh goes on to say in that place, and he says, وَلِأَنَّ تَسْمِيَتُهُ تَعَالَى بِمَا لَمْ يُسَمْ بِهِ نَفْسَهُ أو إنكار ما سمى به نفسه جناية في حقه تعالى. And that is because naming Allah the Most High with that which He didn't name Himself with, or rejecting that which He has named Himself with, this is a violation of the right of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a crime against Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. فوجب سلوك الأدب في ذلك والاقتصار على ما جاء به النص. So therefore it is obligatory for us to have manners, adab, in this affair, and to limit ourselves to that which came in the text of Qur'an and authentic hadith.